So I just built these UGC videos for one of my clients using Seedance 2.5. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I did it, from step one all the way to the finished videos across multiple different formats. All right, so here's everything I'm using today. Max Fusion, which runs GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.5 to generate videos. Claude, which I use to build out all the prompts. The product I'm making the videos for, and my UGC kit, which has all of the prompts I'll be using along the way. All of the links for everything today are in the description below. So the first thing I always do before building any UGC video is pick a format. There are a bunch of out there, but these ones are my favorites. So I'm gonna start with the unboxing format and show you how simple it is to build these out for any product you want. Step one is creating the opening scene for the video. And guys, this is the most important part for making realistic AI UGC. If you nail that first frame, the whole rest of the video falls into place. So let's jump into Max Fusion. Click New Project on the left, then select Flows at the top and create a new flow. Tap the plus icon, select Prompt, then Image Generator and connect them. Set high quality and let's do 4 generations so we got more to choose from. Now for the opening scene prompt, I'm using my UGC kit. It's super simple. You log in, pick the format you want, and you've got done for you prompts for both the opening scenes and the animations. So let's grab one of the unboxing prompts, copy it and paste it into the prompt box in Max Fusion. And there we go, 4 images done. If I want different setting, I just grab another prompt from the list, maybe this one, copy, paste, and generate again. And now we've got a fresh set. Once we have that ready, I just click the plus icon again and add another prompt box plus a video generator. Connect them. Select Seedance 2.5. Now I'm gonna pick the opening scene and turn it into the actual video. And the prompt for this matters just as much. So back in the kit, I've got this step 2. Let's open the unboxing animation folder. All I do is copy this prompt into Claude and send it along with the opening scene image and the product image. And it builds the full animation prompt for me. Let's go back to Max Fusion, save the opening scene you want to animate, then re-upload it through Upload Media and connect it as the reference into the video generator nodes. Then hit the plus icon, upload the product image and connect it as reference to. Finally, paste that big prompt into the box and hit run. And about 5 minutes later, the video is done. Let's have a look.
Okay, so this just showed up and I have zero idea what's inside. I forgot I even ordered this. Oh wait, no, this is actually really nice. Look at this. The stripes are so much better in person and it's heavier than I thought it'd be. Okay, I'm keeping this on today.
So yeah, look how she opens that box like it just showed up from the post office. And that's the whole thing, that the realism is in these tiny details. A worn out box, a bit of mess in the background, and that's why the opening scene matters so much, plus a strong animation prompt. It even added these cuts in the video on its own, which Seedance 2.5 does really well. And I actually went with a script that Claude gave me, but you can adjust it however you want. Now, let's say I want to put the same product into a different format. I think Facecam review format would work really well for this one too. So let's head back to the UGC kit. Here in step 1, you've got 25 done for you Facecam review opening scene prompts ready to go. But let's say you want to build one from scratch that is tailored for your exact product. Every format has its own master prompt right here. So you just run it through Claude and it gives you back an opening scene prompt built around your product. So let's copy the master prompt from here, drop it into Claude, and where it says product in the brackets, I'll pop in the product description and send it over along with the product image. And there's our full prompt. Let's jump back into Max Fusion Flow. I'm gonna use the same one and just build out the new format right here. In the prompt box that is already connected to the image generator, I'll drop this prompt, connect the product image as a reference, and let it run. And there we go, 4 fresh images ready. So let's open the animation prompt inside the step 2 for the Facecam review format. Same as before, drop it into Claude with your product description, product image, and opening scene image, and it hands back the full prompt. Back to the flows, I'll connect the product image to the video generator plus the opening scene image as well. Drop that prompt here and just hit run. And we have a full video ready. Let's have a look.
Okay, sorry, one sec. My phone's too close. There we go. So this is the thing everyone's been asking about. So I've literally been living in this thing since it showed up. I'm not even exaggerating. Look at the color It's not even that washed out olive. It's got this deeper navy running through it. I'm obsessed.
The way she puts the phone away looks so native and real, and that's something I always struggle to get right with AI UGC until I learn how to properly craft the video prompts and have that strong opening scene as a reference. Overall, it came out really good. The script can definitely be better, but you can adjust it however you want by just changing the text right here. Now let's try to put this product into the street interview format. Add another prompt and image generator, connect everything together. I'll head back to the UGC kit, select the street interview opening scenes. And again, you've got the pre-made ones, but I'm gonna grab the master prompt again, drop it into Claude with my product image and description, then paste the prompt into the box here and let it run. And a couple of minutes later, opening scenes are ready. Now I add another prompt and video generator, Seedance 2.5 selected, connect the prompt, the opening scene, and the product image. Back in the kit, scroll to the animation section and pick the street interview. Copy the master prompt, drop it into Claude with your opening scene, product image, and description, and it gives us the animation prompt. Drop that into the box and let it run. And there's our video done in a whole new format.
Honestly, I didn't expect the fabric to be this thick. No, I'd actually buy this.
The best part is that now you can combine all of these formats we just made into one video. And honestly, that would make an interesting ad a brand could actually run.
Honestly, I didn't expect the fabric to be this thick.
Look at the color. It's not even that washed out olive. It's got this deeper navy running through it. I'm obsessed. This is actually really nice. Look at this. The stripes are so much better in person and it's heavier than I thought it'd be. Okay, I'm keeping this on today.
I'm gonna leave this whole flow I built inside the UGC kit, so you can just click here and open it straight into your Max Fusion account. I also added a couple of extra flows that I built in the past. Now, the big reason I use Max Fusion isn't just this flow setup. They also have this one feature that saves me hours every single day. It's this research tool which finds the top performing UGC videos on TikTok and inside the Meta Ads library. So once you're inside the flow, hit the plus icon, select research, and you can choose between TikTok and Meta. Let's go with TikTok. I'll type something like this and hit search. And there we go. We have all of the top performing videos on this topic. You can see the likes, the saves, the shares, everything. So if you ever run out of content ideas, this is very helpful. And if you want to save time and stop wasting credits on bad generations, that's why I built the UGC kit 4. It has 100 pre-made opening scene prompts across multiple formats, plus the master prompts and animation prompts are there as well. And you can apply them to any product you want. Now, Max Fusion is a paid tool, so let me quickly walk you through the plans and give you my honest take on which one actually makes sense for you. The starter at $99 a month gives you 2,000 credits. If you prompt everything properly like I showed you, that's around 15 to 20 Seedance 2.5 videos, and way more if you use the cheaper models like Gemini Omni. And this plan is great if you are just starting out, but if you are making videos for clients like I do or running something bigger, Pro is the better call. You get more than double the credits, and it comes with a Claude MCP and the UGC skills pre-installed, so you can build different styles of UGC from simple prompt. And then there's Max, which is the one I use myself, 10,000 credits and all the research tools I showed you earlier, which are honestly a lifesaver once you're making UGC at scale. And if you go annual, you get an extra 22% off. So if you're just starting out and you want to test the waters, go with the starter. If you're already doing this seriously, Pro or Max is the move. It really just comes down to how many videos you're making a month and whether you want that research tool. The link for Max Fusion and the UGC kit with all the prompts and flows is in the description below. And if you want to see how I make more UGC videos with Seedance 2.5, you can watch it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.